Hi everybody, my name is Alyssa with Full Spectrum Laser. Today I'm going to show you the PS24. The PS24 is our 24 by 16 inch Pro Series CO2 laser. The PS24 comes standard with a 90 watt tube. The 90 watt tube is capable of cutting up to half an inch of materials depending on some variables. It has a 24 by 16 inch cuttable area. You can easily increase this with pass-through doors. The pass-through can fit up to 3-inch thick material. It includes a honeycomb and a built-in knife edge. The Motorized Z Table allows for thicker and larger materials to be cut and engraved. With a Z height of 8.25 inches, this allows for rotary attachments to be inserted. The PS24 has a built-in touchscreen display to control all aspects of your laser, from starting and stopping jobs to setting up a network connection. Keep in mind, the PS24 is the only 90 watt system that will fit through a standard size door. Alright, and there you have it. That was our PS24. If you ever have any questions, you can always reach us at our website, fslaser.com. Until next time, keep making.